Hi guys, I'm in at Motorama Holden. Now this is something very special. It's a VF2 Holden Commodore SSV redline. Now these are the keys and it's auto, so it's got the remote start. So before I get to the remote start, it was built on the 26th of October 15. It's like brand new. So it's got the SS badge in. This car turned 2 years old 6 days after the factory closed down, and the last ever car was this colour red. Now I'll give you a listen to that exhaust. So the remote starts. So that's the sound. It sounds good, and it's got the V8 Series 2 badge and the Holden and SS badge. It's auto, so this car has 304 kilowatts of power and 570 newton meters of torque. And it starts up. It's got the Bose sound system. It's done 37,618 kilometers. I have reviewed a slightly newer 2016 SSV redline in Slipstream Blue with 65,000, but this one's lower. Even when it should have under 10,000, it's still low kilometers. Now I'll go through the logbooks in a separate video. So it's got the lane departure warning and the full collision alert with the head up warning. So it's got this tells you the speed and what gear you are in and the throttle. So I am at a new dealership, so I will only touch the throttle only a tiny little bit. So I didn't do as much throttle as I would if I was at a dealership that I already knew. It's got the Holden Racing Team floor mats. It's got the electronic parking brake, so to release it you put your foot on the brake and press it down, and then to engage it you pull it up. So down here it's got the blind spot alert. I'm sorry, the dealer's next to a busy road. So it's got the paddle shifters.
Don't do that again.
Okay, that was just the parking brake, it wasn't this, it's just this. So, it's got perforated leather on the steering wheel. It's got cruise control. It's got the sunroof. Don't know why it would move forward when it was just the parking brake and when I had my foot on the brake. It's got the SSV logo. It's got sat nav. This car's Holden Racing Team Heritage. It's got your perforated leather. And it's got your key charger, your USB plug and 12-volt socket, and your auto park assist. It's got your dual zone electronic climate control, the menu. Don't know why it would move forward when I had my foot on the brakes. Must be something wrong, I don't know. So you can adjust the height of the head-up display and your modes. So it's got the mechanical sound enhancer, this car. It's got your voice control.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Did you say navigation? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Please say a navigation command or say help.
Where am I?
You are currently driving in Brisbane.
So guys, it knows that I'm not driving, but I might be confused. So, these are your two keys. So they're flip keys. Lock, remote start and the boot and alarm. Now I'll ask them very quietly, very nicely whether I can give it 10 revs as long as I don't redline it. And it's got your electric windows and your electric mirrors and your alloy pedals. And also, if I leave the vehicle and I take these with me, the car will sound. So it would sound any minute now. So I'll just get him to come forward a bit. Mac. May I please give it 10 revs as long as I don't redline it, which I won't do.
You can have it, mate. Just don't put it on the phone.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that'd be good, thank you. Are you ready? Ready. Thank you.
Can I turn it off?
Yes, please. So these are your steering wheel mounted audio controls. Give you a look at the engine. So it's got the bonnet vent and I'll get him to open this up. It does have some NY17 stuff on it, like the fender vents and the front grille surroundings, and it's got your sports armour. But everything else is NY16. It's got the 12 months roadside assistance. So this is the 304 kilowatts, 570 newton meter, 6.2 litre V8 with your mechanical sound enhancer. It's got the silver treatments in the headlights and your LED daytime running lamps. It's got your front and rear parking sensors and your black 19-inch alloy wheels with your red brakes. So it's got the passive entry, so I'll show that. So that the accessory power is on. So it's unlocked. Put these on the ground, so it's locked and I can't get in, and it's unlocked and I can now get in. So this is your blind spot alert and your certificate and your SS badging, and this is and your LED tail lights with your red and gunmetal grey or black treatment and silver treatment in them. Now quickly show the boot. This colour is red hot, so it's Holden's Motorsport Heritage colour. Under here is your black alloy spare wheel. Now, it's in really good nick, this car. There's not one mark on this car. So, I'll go inside the cabin and say it. So, I'm Jordan's Car Reviews, and please subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell. And please don't unsubscribe, and please also like and share. And it's also got the electric front seats, which are 8-way. And please subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell. And please don't unsubscribe, and please also like and share, and goodbye.